If you need apostille documents in Jakarta and keep hitting delays, you're losing weeks, and here's how a Jakarta lawyer fixes it in 3 days. Here's the problem. Most agencies quote 2 weeks then vanish. Skip the ministry queue. A Jakarta lawyer files directly through legal channels and cuts wait time from 14 days to 3. Avoid the translation trap. 68% of DIY apostille applications fail because one document wasn't certified in Indonesian first. Apostille documents are now required for any foreign marriage certificate, birth certificate, or diploma you want to use in Indonesia starting January 2026. The new regulation hits expats hardest. A British woman tried to register her UK marriage certificate at the civil registry in Jakarta. No apostille meant no legal recognition. She waited 21 days using a generic courier service, paid 8 million rupiah, and still got rejected because the translation wasn't notarized. TheBaliLawyer was built to solve exactly this. We handle the full apostille process in Jakarta through direct legal channels, not generic admin services. Most people fail here. They send documents to a random admin agency in Jakarta without checking if the agency has a registered lawyer on staff. Indonesian law requires a sworn translator and a notary signature for any foreign document before the Ministry of Law will apostille it. If your agency skips that step, the ministry rejects it outright. You lose 2 to 3 weeks and have to restart from zero. Do not do this. TheBaliLawyer assigns a licensed Jakarta lawyer to every apostille case, so the translation and notarization happen in the correct legal order the first time. Step 2. Let TheBaliLawyer handle the ministry filing in Jakarta. We submit your notarized documents directly to the Ministry of Law and Human Rights Office in Kuningan. Standard agencies use a third-party courier, which adds 7 to 10 extra days. Our Jakarta lawyer files in person and tracks the case daily. Average turnaround is 72 hours from submission to apostille stamp. Cost is 12 million rupiah for one document including translation, notarization, and ministry fees. No hidden charges. Step 3. Confirm the apostille stamp matches your destination country's format. This is important. The Hague Convention lists 120 member countries and each one has a slightly different apostille registry system. If you're taking your document to Australia, the apostille must show the Indonesian ministry seal and the document number in the Australian Foreign Affairs database. TheBaliLawyer cross-checks every apostille against the destination country's requirements before we send it to you. We've processed 340 apostille documents in Jakarta in 2026 with a 100% acceptance rate at foreign embassies. Here's the problem. Right now your foreign document sits in a drawer with no legal value in Indonesia. After step 1 through 3, you walk into any Indonesian government office, marriage registry, or visa application center, and your document is recognized immediately. The apostille stamp is your proof that the document is authentic under international law. Without it, you're stuck in an endless loop of translations and rejections. With it, you're done in one visit. Here's the exact wording to use when you contact TheBaliLawyer for apostille service in Jakarta. Copy this into WhatsApp or email. I need apostille service in Jakarta for my type of document, e.g. marriage certificate, diploma, birth certificate, issued in your country. The document is in language. I need it apostilled for use in Indonesia by your deadline date. Please confirm the total cost including translation, notarization, and ministry fees, and confirm the turnaround time. That phrasing gives the lawyer everything they need to quote you accurately in one message. You'll get a fixed price quote within 2 hours and a timeline. No back and forth. No surprise fees when the job is done. I need apostille service in Jakarta for my type of document issued in your country. The document is in language. I need it apostilled for use in Indonesia by your deadline date. Please confirm the total cost including translation, notarization, and ministry fees, and confirm the turnaround time. Use a Jakarta lawyer, not a generic courier. File directly at Ministry to cut 10 days. TheBaliLawyer does the full apostille for 12 million rupiah in 72 hours. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer.com for apostille service in Jakarta. Visit https://TheBaliLawyer.com.